Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Jessica Whitaker, and today I have another editing tutorial for you guys. If you guys want to see the behind the scenes video from this session, I'll have it linked down below. I have decided to extend my Valentine's Day sale until Sunday, February 18th. You guys can use the code LOVELETTER at checkout to get 20% off of my Red Letter Days preset pack. Red Letter Days is an extremely versatile preset pack containing 4 different filters for Lightroom. You have 3 color, 1 black and white, and today I'm going to be showing you how I use 3 of the 4 in this image set. I've done quite a few tutorials using the preset pack on lifestyle shots, wedding photography, but this time I thought it would be fun to show you more of an editorial spin. This sale won't last forever, just until Sunday, February 18th. All of the information for the preset pack will be linked down in the description box below, as well as in pinned comment. Again, use the code LOVELETTER at checkout to enjoy 20% off of the preset pack. It's originally $60, and with the code you can get it for $48 USD. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more photography videos, tips, and tricks, and let's get into it. Alright, so we are going to begin with this image, direct sunlight. I'm going to show you guys what Friday looks like on here. I love it. What Monday looks like. Beautiful. Saturday. And then Sunday. I think we're going to go with Friday for this image, and the only change I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the blacks up slightly. Maybe a little bit. There we go, perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to just crop her in a little bit more. Super easy, one click, almost one click, edit using the Friday preset. Now we're going to move over to this image. And I'm going to show you guys what Monday looks like on here. This is what I showed in the behind the scenes video. I love it. Look at that one-click perfection. So beautiful. I'll show you what Friday looks like as well, because this is nice. I like the greens especially here. I'm just going to straighten her out a bit. Fantastic. And maybe bring the blacks up slightly. Beautiful. So that is Friday. And then this is Monday, which also looks quite nice. I love Monday on these photos. Let's move into the next portion, and we're going to pop Friday on here. I already know that that's the preset I want to go with. I'm going to bring the blacks up slightly, and I'm going to straighten her out a bit. Fantastic. So what I'm going to do is copy this and paste it onto the next image in the same set. Beautiful, super easy. Maybe bring the highlights down slightly. Pop on over to the next one. Paste Friday on there. Bring the highlights down a little bit. Gorgeous. And then maybe bring the blacks up. And you know what? I'm going to bring the exposure down slightly. Oh, I love it, you guys. So easy, so simple. Okay, next up we have this little image set. This is a little bit more darker in the shade, and I think that these are going to be gorgeous to play around with the different presets. So let's prop Friday on there. Monday, and remember this is without adjustments though. Saturday, again, no adjustments. I would definitely, bring the blacks up, bring the exposure up, pop Sunday on here. Again, this image itself is just underexposed, so I'd bring, you know what, let's go to a horizontal shot so you guys can see more of it. Okay, so we're going to pop Friday on here. Beautiful. Oh, I just love Friday. It's no wonder it's the best seller. Bring the blacks up slightly, and then I'm going to bring the exposure down. There we go. Just testing out, playing around with these sliders. I'm going to show you guys though on the next photo what Saturday looks like on here. So pop Saturday on. So what I'm going to start with is exposure. Bring the exposure up slightly. And then I'm going to bring the blacks up. Then I'm going to bring the contrast down a little bit. And then the saturation down slightly as well. Let's see, maybe I do want a little bit more blacks in there. Perfect. So I'm going to show you guys the before and after. Super easy, and what I can do is I could copy Saturday and paste it onto this portrait, or I could copy Friday and paste it for a completely different feel. Now we're going to go to the last set, and oh my gosh, I really love this shot. So the first thing I'm going to do is just straighten it out. Now I would go in to all of these little pieces of trash right here and clone stamp them out, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to cut that part out of the shot. So I'm going to pop Friday on here, and instantly, oh my gosh, I love it. Bring the highlights down, blacks up a little bit more, maybe make it more intentional, more contrasted. So I'll show you guys the before and after on the screen here. Again, this was edited using the Friday preset. Alright everyone, that was the tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you learned something. Again, make sure, if you haven't already, the preset pack Red Letter Days is going to be on sale, extended until Sunday, February 18th. You can use the code LOVELETTER at checkout to receive 20% off of the entire pack. There's 3 color, 1 black and white. It's very versatile and it's perfect for any stage of the game. Any kind of photographer, whether you do editorial work or wedding photography, it's fantastic. All the information for the preset will be linked below, as well as the behind the scenes video from this image set will be in the description box as well. Thank you so much. Be sure to subscribe for more photography videos, tips, and tricks, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.